Land Aircraft Carrier. The Land Aircraft Carrier is a bold new vehicle that combines off-road power with personal air travel, all in one futuristic machine. It's a six-wheeled, all-electric truck that doesn't just drive, it also carries a hidden two-seat electric flying car in the back. With over 620 miles of driving range and the ability to support 6 vertical takeoffs and landings per charge, it gives you the freedom to drive anywhere and fly when needed. Even with all this tech, it's smartly designed to fit in regular parking spaces and is expected to cost under $300,000. Set to launch by 2026, this hybrid wonder is perfect for adventure lovers, daily commuters, or anyone who wants to beat traffic in style. Imagine cruising through rough terrain, then taking to the sky from the same vehicle. It turns ordinary travel into something extraordinary. The Lockheed CL-1201 was one of the boldest aircraft ideas ever created. Dreamed up in the 1960s, it was a nuclear-powered flying aircraft carrier designed to stay in the sky for more than 40 days without landing. Imagine a plane so huge that it had a wingspan of 1,120 feet and weighed nearly 6,000 tons. It was supposed to carry up to 24 fighter jets, acting like a giant floating airbase in the sky. To lift off, the CL-1201 would use 182 vertical engines, and once airborne, it would rely on 4 powerful nuclear jet engines to cruise endlessly. A massive nuclear reactor producing 1,830 megawatts would power it, giving it the ability to fly around the world without refueling. The vision was futuristic and impressive, combining size, strength, and cutting-edge nuclear technology. Nessus. The Nessus is a super cool gyrocopter that lets you enjoy the thrill of flying in a fun, safe, and modern way. With its sleek design and futuristic look, it's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. The Nessus has a powerful engine at the back and a large rotor on top that helps it lift off the ground, kind of like a mix between a small plane and a helicopter. It's built to be very stable and safe, so you don't have to worry about stalling or losing control like in some other aircraft. Inside, the Nessus has a comfortable and enclosed cockpit with amazing views, making it perfect for 2 people to fly and explore together. It's easy to fly, fuel efficient, and doesn't need a big runway to take off or land, so you can use it in lots of different places. Whether you're flying over forests, beaches, or your local countryside, the Nessus makes every flight feel like an adventure. The Northrop B-49 Flying Wing was a ground Otto Solera Phantom 3500. The Otto Solera Phantom 3500 is a futuristic private jet designed to change the way we fly. With its sleek, teardrop shape, this aircraft isn't just stylish, it's built for performance. The unique body design greatly reduces air resistance, helping it use up to 50% less fuel compared to traditional jets. Powered by 2 strong Williams FJ44 engines, it can cruise at high altitudes and cover over 3,000 nautical miles without stopping, making it perfect for long trips. What really makes the Phantom 3500 stand out is its windowless design. Instead of regular windows, the cabin is filled with stunning digital screens that create virtual views, giving passengers a wide, immersive look at the sky. The interior is also spacious and modern, with high ceilings that add to the comfort and luxury. The legendary Philippine Mars flying boat has made its second-to-last flight, marking the end of a historic chapter in aviation. Built in 1946 for the U.S. Navy, it later became famous in British Columbia as a powerful firefighting aircraft, dropping massive loads of water to help control wildfires. On this special flight, it took off from Sprout Lake and landed in San Francisco Bay after a 4.5-hour journey, its first step toward retirement. This flight wasn't just a relocation. It was a farewell to one of the largest seaplanes ever built. With only one other like it remaining, the Hawaii Mars, this moment is both emotional and historic. The aircraft is now on its way to the Pima Air and Space Museum in Arizona, where it will be preserved for future generations to learn from and admire. The Pivotal Helix is a next-generation personal electric aircraft designed to make flying as easy as driving. This single-seat aircraft can take off and land vertically, just like a drone, and then smoothly transition into forward flight. It's powered by 8 electric rotors and built from strong, lightweight carbon fiber, allowing it to cruise at 63 miles per hour and travel over 20 miles on a single charge. Perfect for short commutes or thrilling sky rides. What truly sets the Helix apart is its simplicity. Because it falls under FAA Part 103 rules, you don't need a pilot's license to fly it. Anyone can learn to operate it using a simple joystick. For added peace of mind, the Helix is equipped with triple redundant flight controls and a full aircraft parachute system, making safety a top priority. Pivotal. Pivotal is an exciting company that's changing the way we think about personal flight. They create small, electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft designed for everyday people, not just pilots. Their aircraft are lightweight, easy to fly, and built with safety in mind. One of their most famous models is the Helix, a single-seat flying machine that takes off and lands like a drone, but gives you the feeling of flying like a bird. With no runway needed, you can lift straight into the air from your backyard or a small open space. The aircraft are controlled with simple, intuitive controls, making flying accessible even to beginners after some training. Pivotal's goal is to make flying personal, fun, and safe for everyone. These aircraft are perfect for short trips, outdoor adventures, or just the thrill of soaring above the ground. The ProZero 15M is a tough, lightweight boat designed to handle a wide range of marine tasks with speed and efficiency. Built using advanced composite materials, it's both strong and fuel efficient, which means lower operating costs and less maintenance over time. Whether it's transporting cargo, carrying passengers, or responding to emergencies, this vessel is built to perform in demanding sea conditions. It features a spacious deck, comfortable seating, and a powerful engine system that lets it move quickly and safely, even in rough waters. Thanks to its smart and flexible design, the ProZero 15M can be customized for different industries like offshore wind farms, Coast Guard duties, tourism, or even police patrols at sea. With its strong build and modern technology, the ProZero 15M is made for professionals who need a reliable and capable boat for real-world missions. SubSonex. The SubSonex is a tiny personal jet that turns big flying dreams into reality. Made by Sonex Aircraft, this sleek, single-seat jet is perfect for aviation fans who want speed, fun, and the thrill of flying their own jet. It's powered by a powerful Czech-made PBS TJ100 turbojet engine, giving it speeds up to 265 miles per hour and a cruising range of about 400 miles. With a wingspan of just 18 feet and a lightweight aluminum frame, it's built for performance and agility. The SubSonex even comes with retractable landing gear and a safety parachute system, giving pilots peace of mind in the air. What makes it even cooler? You can actually build it yourself. It's sold as a quick build kit that you complete at home, meeting the FAA's rules for home-built aircraft. It takes about 500 hours to put together and costs around $125K to $136K. The Technomar for Lamborghini 63 is a super fast, super stylish luxury yacht that brings Lamborghini's car design to the water. Inspired by the Lamborghini Sian FKP 37, this yacht looks like something out of the future, with sharp aerodynamic lines, a sleek Y-shaped front, and a high-tech cockpit that feels like a fighter jet. Built with ultra-light carbon fiber, it's not only strong, but incredibly fast and agile too. Powered by 2 massive MAN V12 engines, producing 4,000 horsepower, it can reach speeds up to 60 knots, making it one of the fastest yachts in the world. Inside, it's all about luxury and performance. You'll find premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and sleek race-style seating that create a sporty yet elegant vibe. Whether you're racing across the sea or just relaxing in style, this yacht makes a bold statement. The trilobe hybrid airship is a revolutionary aircraft that's changing the way we think about air transport. Unlike old-fashioned blimps, this modern marvel uses a special three-lobe design, giving it extra stability and allowing it to generate 40% of its lift through aerodynamics. Combined with helium-powered buoyancy, this makes the airship more efficient, able to fly over 1,000 miles even in windy conditions. What really makes it stand out is its air cushion landing system. This clever tech means it doesn't need a runway. It can land smoothly on snow, sand, water, or any rough terrain. That makes it perfect for reaching remote places where regular planes can't go. Whether it's delivering important supplies to disaster-hit zones or transporting cargo to far-off locations, this airship is built for the job. The trilobe hybrid airship isn't just about looking futuristic. It's designed to solve real-world problems. It's strong, versatile, and eco-friendly. The VMO eVTOL, nicknamed the Flying Tiger, is an advanced electric flying vehicle from China, launched in 2022. It's designed to take off and land vertically like a helicopter, but flies like a plane, making it perfect for city travel and beyond. With a futuristic X-wing design, it uses 8 rotors to lift off smoothly and 2 rear propellers to fly forward efficiently. It can carry up to 4 passengers plus their luggage over a range of 200 kilometers. Fully electric and self-flying, the VMO doesn't need a pilot. Just hop in, relax, and enjoy the ride as it handles everything on its own. It's built with smart technology and eco-friendly power, helping reduce pollution and traffic in busy cities. This flying machine blends Volkswagen's trusted engineering with innovative aviation features, creating a bold step toward a cleaner and faster way to travel. The V-Marine AQ-36 is a luxurious 36-meter floating home designed for people who love comfort, style, and eco-friendly living on the water. It offers spacious interiors with beautiful panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light and stunning views. Everything inside feels high-end, from the modern furniture to the elegant finishes, creating a relaxing and stylish environment. What makes this houseboat special is its smart technology and green features. It comes equipped with home automation, solar panels, and energy-saving systems, allowing you to live comfortably while being kind to the environment. The open deck is perfect for enjoying sunny days, with a jacuzzi and areas made for fun, entertainment, or just unwinding with friends and family. Zafalto Manned Flight. Zafalto is bringing luxury travel to new heights, literally. Their upcoming experience, called Celestie, will take passengers to the edge of space in a stylish, high-tech balloon capsule. Designed by famous architect Joseph Durand, the capsule is pressurized, sleek, and built for comfort. It rises 25 kilometers above the Earth, offering breathtaking views of our planet's curve through large panoramic windows. Inside, 6 passengers can relax in soft cocoon-like seats and enjoy the peace and beauty of the stratosphere. The entire trip lasts around 6 hours and is filled with luxury.